Now, today, 24 of the Science of Mind textbook in 1 year. This section is Place No Limit on Principle. Know your own mind. Train yourself to think what you wish to think. Be what you wish to be. Feel what you wish to feel. And place no limit on principle. The words which you speak would be just as powerful as the words which Jesus spoke if you knew your word was the law whereunto it was sent. But you must know this within. That is, know this within and not merely accept it with your intellect. If you have reached a point where the inner consciousness believes, then your word is simply an announcement of reality. Know, without a shadow of doubt, that as a result of your treatment, some action takes place in infinite mind. Infinite mind is the actor, and you are the announcer. If you have a vague, subtle, unconscious fear, be quiet and ask yourself, who am I? What am I? Who is speaking? What is my life? In this manner, think right back to principle until your thought becomes perfectly clear again. Such is the power of right thinking, that it counsels and erases everything unlike itself. It answers every question, solves all problems, is the solution to every difficulty. It is like the sunlight of eternal truth, bursting through the clouds of obscurity and bathing all life in glory. It is the absolute with which you are dealing. All there really is God. The next section, God never compromises. In demonstrating over conditions, the only inquiries we need to make are, do the things we want lend themselves to a constructive program? Do they express a more abundant life? Rob no one, create no delusion, and express a greater degree of livingness? If we are to answer these questions affirmatively, then all the power in the universe is back of our program. If it is money, houses, automobiles, land, stock, bonds, dresses, shirts, or shoestrings, all of which come from the same source, there can be nothing either in the law or in the spirit back of the law to deny us the right to the greatest possible expression of life. Good never compromises with its opposite. The one practicing must be able to look a fact in the face and know that all manifestations are effects and can be changed by changing the mental cause. He must be able to look at the sick man who has come to him for help and know that only perfection stands before him. He must see beyond the appearance to that which is basically perfect. This will not be irrational to the one who has made a careful study of the science of mind and spirit. Truth knows no opposites. When we take away the belief in evil, the belief that the outward appearance is the same as the inner reality, evil flees. We must continually remind ourselves of the power of the word and of our ability to use it. We must know that truth produces freedom because truth is freedom. Our work will best be done in quiet expectancy, and in calm confidence. The results rest in the eternal law of God. That's today's reading for the 24th day, January 24th. God bless. Oh, I have to cut that.